All right, so we're working on the chassis today for this latest vehicle, and I'm starting with the front bulkhead. So the first thing that I need to do is capture the mounting locations for the lower control arm and then work my way out from there. So these are just two simple plates using 1/4" 4130 chromoly here. And the goal for this bulkhead was to tie in the upper and lower control arms to all the suspension mounting pivot points, as well as the center diff and the steering brackets. And so I'm just grabbing the locations of everything here to figure out where those shock mounts are going to live and where the control arm mounts are going to live. And I had considered making this out of billet up here, but the packaging was so tight that plate steel made a lot more sense. But the thicknesses were off on some of the hardware selection that I chose. So I had to make some spacer brackets to get everything to line up properly. And then I just have one center spine tube running through the bottom of the bulkhead. And that's where I'm going to anchor everything off of. And then these other tubes serve a dual purpose. They're going to tie the upper control arm mounts together, and they're going to house the center sway bar, which is mounted transversely and rides inside of bushings inside of a tube on the chassis.